Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to discuss. Apple has just unveiled its latest masterpiece, the iPhone 15, and it's creating waves in the smartphone world. In this video, we'll dive deep into every aspect of this revolutionary device, from its stunning design to its potential impact on the market. So buckle up and join us on this thrilling journey through the iPhone 15. Let's kick things off with the design and build. The iPhone 15 boasts an impeccable design, following Apple's tradition of elegance and innovation. It's sleek, slim, and incredibly lightweight. The use of premium materials like aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic glass not only makes it visually stunning, but also durable. The phone features a bezel-less design with a punch-hole camera, giving it a futuristic appeal. Apple has departed from its traditional stainless steel frame for the iPhone 15, opting instead for a cutting-edge titanium alloy, also employed in spacecraft construction. This innovative choice introduces a fresh array of titanium-themed colors, spanning white, black, natural, and blue. Notably, titanium's lightweight properties result in a reduction in the overall weight of the iPhone 15 Pro models compared to their predecessors, the iPhone 14 Pro models. This transition to titanium not only augments the device's durability, but also adds a touch of sophistication and a reduction in heft, enhancing the user experience for Apple enthusiasts. Moving on to the display, Apple has truly outdone itself. The iPhone 15 features a state-of-the-art OLED display with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an astounding resolution. But what's truly impressive is its ProMotion technology, which offers a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, elevating your viewing experience to a whole new level. Whether you're gaming or streaming content, this display is a game-changer. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge iPhone 15. You could even use the iPhone 15 to charge the Apple Watch and AirPods. So, bye-bye cable clutter. Battery life is a crucial factor, and Apple has nailed it. The iPhone 15 offers an impressive battery capacity that can easily get you through a full day of heavy use. But what's truly impressive is the introduction of MagSafe 2.0. This innovative technology allows for faster wireless charging and improved magnetic accessories compatibility. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 packs a punch. Its new A16 Bionic chip and upgraded GPU delivers unparalleled performance and energy efficiency. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and outstanding gaming experiences. Apple has once again set the bar high for smartphone performance. Now let's focus on photography. The iPhone 15 comes equipped with a groundbreaking camera system. In addition to 48MP Pro RAW, the main camera also supports 48MP HEIF images with 4x more resolution. iPhone 15 Pro features an expansive 3x telephoto camera, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max provides the longest optical zoom ever on an iPhone, 5x at 120mm. Night mode has also seen remarkable improvements. On the software front, the iPhone 15 runs the latest iOS 17. It's packed with exciting features and improvements, including enhanced privacy settings, improved Siri functionality, and a more intuitive user interface. Apple's commitment to providing seamless software updates ensures that your device stays cutting edge for years to come. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 15 supports 5G, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 are also on board. Whether streaming, gaming, or browsing, you'll stay connected like never before. When it comes to storage, the iPhone 15 offers a range of options to suit your needs. From 128 GB to a whopping 1 TB, you can choose the storage capacity that fits your lifestyle. Plus, Apple's storage technology ensures faster app loading and smoother performance. Now let's talk about security. The iPhone 15 retains its Face ID technology, but it's now faster and more accurate than ever. Additionally, Apple has strengthened its commitment to user privacy, introducing new features that give you more control over your data. The iPhone 15, Apple's latest flagship smartphone, offers a range of versions to cater to varying consumer needs and preferences. When it comes to pricing, Apple has strategically positioned the iPhone 15 to ensure there's an option for everyone. The base model of the iPhone 15 starts at a competitive price point, making it accessible to a broad audience. This version typically offers a balanced combination of features and storage capacity, making it suitable for everyday users. For those who demand more storage, Apple offers higher-tier versions with larger capacities, such as 256 GB and 512 GB, as well as a top-tier 1 TB option. These versions cater to power users, creative professionals, and individuals who need ample space for photos, videos, and apps, albeit at a higher price point. That's why the price of the newly launched iPhone 15 is between $800 to $1,000, depending on different variants, like iPhone Pro and Pro Max respectively. Now let's discuss the big picture. How might the iPhone 15 impact the smartphone market? With its cutting-edge technology and innovative features, it's likely to set new industry standards. Its influence on consumer preferences could reshape the entire market landscape. iPhone 15 vs. iPhone 14. Much like its enhanced camera capabilities, the iPhone 15 boasts notable advancements in performance compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 14. Apple has integrated its cutting-edge A16 Bionic processor into the latest iteration, promising users a noticeable boost in everyday tasks, superior graphics performance for gaming enthusiasts, and increased energy efficiency. What sets the iPhone 15 apart is its upgraded camera system, which now includes all the features found in the previous year's Pro models. However, one of its standout features is the incorporation of the new ultra-wideband chip. This chip significantly enhances spatial awareness, enabling iPhone 15 models to pinpoint the precise location of other Apple devices equipped with an ultra-wideband chip. This development facilitates a remarkable threefold increase in the range over which two iPhones can connect with each other, ushering in a new era of seamless connectivity and device interaction. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 is a true marvel of technology. It combines stunning design, unmatched performance, and the camera system that redefines smartphone photography. With its eco-friendly initiatives and potential to reshape the market, it's a device that not only meets but exceeds expectations. It's a key player in Apple's product strategy, driving innovation and setting new standards. So if you're looking for the ultimate smartphone experience, the iPhone 15 is the answer. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more tech insights, reviews, and exciting news right here on our channel.